kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe ideas and things where you can do at home to be natural and healthy. Anyway, today we're talking about how you can use ginger cube and lemon and lose weight and be healthy. And as I say, it's coming up to our winter, which is time gonna get really cold. We need to look after our body and ourselves. Anyway, I said to one of my friends the other day that, I need to phone my doctor to ask him why I doesn't get any cold, any sickness, because I was really concerned about my body. Because I didn't sick or didn't have any cold, flu or anything for such a long time. And I'm really concerned about myself. So I was saying to myself, if because I've been taking care of myself, drinking a lot of detox in my body, eating healthy and drinking a lot of green smoothie, which is really good for you. These things is healthy. And I want to say, I'm really happy. It's such a long time I don't even catch even a cold or a flu or anything. So it's just brilliant. But anyway, I can share my little secret with you guys, tell you what I do at home and what I do when I'm at work and the job at detoxing my body. So hopefully you find this one really interesting. And remember, you can do the same thing, ginger and lemon, and detox your body at home, guys. It's just amazing. 1 glass of water, piece of a ginger, half of a lemon with some lukewarm water. Good to go. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and also stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe and tell a friend. And remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and we are there for you. Thank you so much. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen. First thing I want to talk about ginger and lemon. I've been preaching this over the last probably about 1 year now. I've been talking about ginger, lemon, and honey and all these things. All it work natural, healthy, and good for you. Anyway, today I do some ginger cube, as you can see right here. I remove the skin from the ginger and simply cut them up into some cube, very small and bits right here, as you can see, looking lovely. What I want to simply say to you guys, you can do this one at home. We're just gonna show you how you can use how to lose weight fast with ginger, lemon, and detox water from fast weight loss. All right. First of all, I want to say ginger is powerful, and a lot of us know that ginger works really well in our system. What we want to do is simple. I just cut off a nice little piece of a chunk of a ginger and cut them up into some cube, and this is about roughly work out to a full tablespoon of ginger cube. Look at that, amazing. Put it straight inside of your glass like this, and all you're going to do is pour some hot water on it. One glass of hot water. Then get your lemon. And put it straight inside of the water like this. Alright, sorry for the splash because the water is really hot. Not really say hot, but lukewarm water. So I'm just gonna simply explain certain things to you guys. I've been talking about ginger and lemon over the last 6 months. I'm talking about weight loss and all these things. And what you can do, just simply give it a little stir like this for us. The ginger. You can put more ginger cube inside of it, and what you can do is to leave this right on the surface for 6 hours, and the first thing you do, drink it in the morning before your breakfast. So basically, if you're going to be drinking this, you need to be eating really healthy and exercise, and you can lose some fast weight loss. Alright guys, and as I can say, ginger and lemon have a lot of benefit. If the ginger and the lemon is a little bit too strong for you, you can always add some honey, just a little pinch of honey to get rid of some of the strongness, because a lot of people can't drink the ginger and the lemon, is a little bit too strong for them. So basically you can use a little honey and kind of balance it. All right, basically I want to simply say to you, for you to drink this, you need to drink it in the morning for your before your breakfast, or you can drink one in the evening. That's the best time all this one work with. So how to lose weight fast with ginger, lemon and detox water for fast weight loss. This is the only way I can always preach it and teach it and tell my fans them who want to be healthy, losing weight. This is another way how you can do with some ginger Q and lemon. So guys, hopefully you'll find this really interesting and being a benefit to you. And if you think it's a good idea, please leave your comments below. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the theme. Thank you so much for watching my show. And as I share one more ingredients, one more item with my fans them to tell you guys, these things work for you, especially if the weather going to be changing very soon. You know what I mean? You can always make some of this and detox your body also, because this do help you to detox your body. So guys, just keep tuning to the show, and also subscribe and tell a friend, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. And as you can see right here, ginger Q with lemon, all you need to do is simply cover it and leave it right here on your work surface for 6 hours in the morning. Drink it before you eat your breakfast and before 20 minutes, and then after you can eat something really healthy and look after yourself, and you will be all right. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.